can you hire me? This is not at all the way. Okay, it's very difficult to reach the people, those have rights and those have power to hire you. For example, HR or CEO or manager or any person works in industry. And this applies to all the professions. Let's say you want to apply for private university job, government university job, or whichever, if you, or you want to inquire any administrative inquiry for the institute, you can request them by using this platform if they are on this platform, LinkedIn. Okay. So this is what about. I have something to show you here. This is what my profile here. I will have live demo, but just to show you that this is what it looks like. This I was talking about photo. So you have your good professional photo. It's your face should be like. I hope your is professional. Okay, your background should be good, and then the timeline, etc. etc. Okay. So what should we remember? What should we remember? Upload a professional photograph. You should have attractive headline, most recent job title or status, so that it can attract people. Now I am assistant professor, so I just post it there. So if any students want to know anything about his career guidelines in particularly chemistry, they can approach me, they can text me, and they do. I get lots of message by LinkedIn. In fact, when I had this webinar, our last webinar from in our college, several students contacted me by LinkedIn. And one good thing that I should share with you that one of my friend from NCL, we were disconnected because of I went for postdoc and he went to somewhere, and then he contacted me on LinkedIn saying that, hey, I had this opportunity to hear your talk, and then when you meet with your close and older friend, what happens that I should not explain. Okay, this is mental peace is also important. Okay, for in case of students, because nowadays most of the students are struggling for a job, for skill development, for showcasing their skills. So if you go through the LinkedIn, if you will be directed very carefully. Okay, so why we are waiting then? So what we are waiting for that? Let us start and move to the creating your profile. In fact, they do have app, LinkedIn app. You can download that app once you have your profile created. So this is what the website, and then these are the things you will be initially see that LinkedIn. You will be writing your name, then last name, your email address, your password, and then just create. Just join. It's not that great. Okay, and then later on you can fill up. Okay, so let us begin with this live demonstration now. Anybody have any doubt? Should I move to the live demonstration? If you don't have any doubts, we'll move to the live demonstration. Student, please. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, no, sir.
I hope my voice is very clear. Is there clarity in my voice?
Yes, sir.
Vikram, is everything
Yes,
going well? Okay.
yes, everything is fine.
So let us So let us welcome to the live demonstration of our LinkedIn now. Yeah. So you just simply type on Google, create LinkedIn account, and then well, I will be happy to show you this video also. It's very short. Just a minute. Yeah, so we are here. Let me show. Yeah. See, as I told you, just need an email account to create LinkedIn account. See, what you need, you just need your name, your last name, your email address, and then a password. So when you have this one in field here, you just join. So once you join, then you just fill up your information. For example, if you are student, you can write here student and name and whatever. Okay, then see, it is already mentioned here that it is a student. So once you click on students, you will get direction. Then later, as soon as you enter there, you have to confirm your email address. So once you confirm your email address, you will be having message on that. And then once you get the message from LinkedIn, you click on that message and verify that you are. Confirmation button you have to click. And then since we all are in the digital world, most of you will have several contacts and you always contact with friends by email or professors by emails. So then you can just click on here, or you can skip these tables. Okay, like you know the people that already know that on the LinkedIn. You can do that later also, and then yeah. So this is what is important. You have to have your photographs also, very professional photographs, and then yeah. So I think we'll go to the creating LinkedIn profile now. Yeah. So this is what it looks, LinkedIn front page, and then you just for either if you have account, either sign in or let me show you another one. Sign up. Yeah, this is what the one you go for that. Since I have my account, so it will be sign up me. It will sign up me here. So I'll just sign it out and then we can create another account. Okay, so join now. So as I told you, you have to write down your email or phone number. When I like after your email, you just put your whatever password you want. Agree and join. Then first name, I will write Sahil. Then I am going to do continue. Okay. So as soon as I do continue, it will do a quick security check. So when it will do security check, I think I have already account, so that is what is taking time. Verification. Okay, so they will ask you some couple of questions. So you have to verify that. Okay. Well, anyway, so you can go for that also. Since I have already account, I'll just go for my account directly. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah, so we are here now. See, I already have that account, so it is not allowing me to do that. So this what indicates you cannot register, you should not have your LinkedIn account using the same email ID. And why you don't need extra accounts, okay? So this is what the LinkedIn account I want to show with you all. This is my account, and as I told you that you will be uploading your photographs, professional photographs with the background and with the detail. So how do you do that? For example, you go here, you click on that, where you have to click here. Yeah, someone is messaging me. Okay, yeah. So see, can you see my slide? Can you see my screen? Everybody?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So when you click on the like when you create the profile, it will ask you one by one question. So that's you have to just upload. You have to just follow that. Then click on the profile, view profile. In that, click on the edit. Now, in this, you have to write your proper information like your name, your last name, then what you do. So that is what you write here, and then this is what you go scroll down. Then again, you write the details of your academia, your country, your area, education, like department, industry. So I work in education, so I industry as education. And then if you have any personal website, then you just click here and add here and then just apply. When you apply that, save all the changes. Okay, so it will look like this. Then when you scroll down, you will again have something, another tab where you can write about about you. Okay, so you have to write the summary, which will be again 2000 words are given here. You have to write accordingly that whatever you feel that, for example, any BSc chemistry students will write, I am a student, currently have completed my BSc, thorough knowledge of chemistry, organic, physical, etc., etc. And what are the skills? Let's say he has done some project, summer project, then he can write about that also. So I am a assistant professor, so I wrote about myself, and since I am also researcher, so I wrote about the things which I do and my expertise, what I know and not. Once you do that, you just save it. Then several options are there. You can write down here your experience, like I wrote my experience, what I'm doing, from when I'm doing, and then just save. One important thing, please remember, whenever you do updation, you just click on this where the share with network. Then only people will know that you have this and not. Okay. So this is what. Let me start from down. Like see, I have this my like patent, whatever courses I did, what long language I know. Language also matters because sometimes what happens, like madam was talking in Marathi. I should also talk in Marathi, but I don't know the audience again. If you write your language, whatever the language you know, if you are in, if you say, if your title is you are in United Kingdom, UK, and you wrote that you know the Marathi. If some person from UK who is also Marathi, and if he sees your profile and he said, oh, he is Marathi, he knows Marathi or Hindi or English or any local language, he will text you, and then you can straightforwardly have phone conversation. Okay, this happened with me. That is what I'm telling you. Then you should add your achievements, let's say publications, honors, awards in this accomplishment. And later on, you can endorse people for skills. Your educational history should be added here very carefully, where you have masters, PhD, or etc. etc. And your experience, where like I was adjunct faculty, then postdoctoral fellow at USA, then postdoctoral fellow at Korea again, and currently I am assistant professor in this college. So this is what. So this will be different for students, business people, startup person, or whoever. So this is what your profile, it should be looking like this. And then once you have your profile, there are 4 options here. See, home, network, job, messaging, and notification. So you just click on my network. First, whenever you will have this, your account created, you start networking. Now, couple of things again I would like to highlight here. When you will go to this My Network, you click on your contacts. So when you click on your contacts, you will automatically, LinkedIn will automatically bring the email address that you being already emailed, people to whom you already emailed. Okay, so for example, see, I already emailed these guys for during postdoctoral and other applications time. So they all are coming here. So again, it depends on you with whom you want to be connected and with whom don't want to be connected. Okay, so that's how you can build up your networking. And once you have your network complete, then you can start messaging. And see, for example, I got message from Vikram also here. And see, guys, personally speaking, this LinkedIn makes you happy when you are in very stressed situation. Like the job right now, it's very dangerous for students for job markets, and also you can just text people, write them, and request them to verify, look to your profile and guide anything. Okay, so when you get connected, you message them saying that thank you, sir. Uh, and look for my this. I'm looking for that, etc., etc. Okay. Then if someone have achieved something or someone have developed something, then there will be message and notification. If you click on notification, you will come to know what things are going on. So now you will also come to know that who have been seen your profile. So Shivam Pokharkar has seen my profile, so that I will come to know. For example, let's say Shivam is the CEO of Reliance company, and if he has seen my profile, then there is something is going on in Shivam's mind that he want to either contact me or hire me or have some opportunities for me. So so I'll think in accordingly. Okay, so Shivam sent saw my profile, so I will just message him and then I will just start talking with him. Okay. In fact, if somebody has achieved something, let's say this guy, Rakesh Golen started new position on clinical pharmacology. If my background is clinical pharmacology, I'll simply say him congrats. If I say him congrats, he will get back to me. I will start conversation and slowly I will say that, hey, you started clinical pharmacology. Is there any opportunity for that? He will say today no, but tomorrow or day after tomorrow he'll keep in mind. Oh no, Dr. Swapnil have contacted me and I have to look into him. Okay, so these things are very important and it will help you. Okay, so just keep in mind, if you go on, click on home. So the home looks like this. You will be continuously getting updated news about professional development or any new innovations or any product development or any recruitment. So these things are important. You can achieve by LinkedIn. Now, another thing, I want to search for a person that I want to go. Let's say I want to start my startup company and I want to look for the startup supporter. So I will just write startup support. If I write the startup, spelling mistake, okay, startup support, look at this, how many things I am getting: startup support, startup finance support, startup. Is everything going well, student? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
I want to go for PhD in USA. So what I will write? PhD opportunities. Or let's say I want to go for MS in analytical chemistry. Whatever I want, I can just write it there. I'll get it there. Now, I would like to highlight here one thing from this KCIL NMU, which is just supporting incubation, which is incubation center of KBC NMU. In fact, NCL also have innovation center. See, so if I want to, if any of my student have project who is going to click in the product, I can approach to this KCIL NMU, or let's say NCL Innovation Park, or I will just write Innovation Park. Innovation Park. So if I write Innovation Parks, lots of companies or lots of innovation centers being arrived on my this LinkedIn profile. So this helps you for searching your target. Let's say you want to have professional development course. Want to do your professional development. So you will have lots of things. Let's say this professional assistant for development action, professional development coordinator, professional consultancy. You get this. Okay, so this is what the benefit of this LinkedIn. Now I'm moving to this another tab which talks about job. Yeah, so now you want to apply to Asian or Reliance or any pharma industry. You just write the company's name here. It's a Lupin Pharma. Pharmaceutical. Not possible. No. So you there might be some mistake from me that the keywords are important. If you add such kinds of keywords, you will get the information, because I use this LinkedIn for when I was applying for jobs. Okay, so you write the company and you look for the and add this state and you get this. Okay, more or less, see, instead of me doing these things, you depends on you how deep you go. Okay, guys, so this is what important benefit. Now I know, let's say I will search about Dr. Vikram. Yeah, so Vikram is here, and since he is my friend, but then I want to know who is there in the Vikram's connection. So Vikram has 170 connections, and if I click on that, if I find someone who can help me, now see Sagar Vaidya, who is a postdoctoral fellow. Oh, he's friend of mine, so I can just connect him. I can send him a message. Okay, so this is what you can also go to the people profile, and then you just look for their connections. And if someone is in your profile, now see this Gopal Dhangar, he's also my friend, but I don't know him. He was my junior, so I can connect him by LinkedIn and I can start conversation with him. Who knows that this Gopal may have some opportunities for my students? So this helps you. Are you getting my point, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I would like to tell you very important thing here. See, Dr. Kedar, when I was in US, Dr. Kedar was used to guide me. Okay. He is very big person working in this R&D holistic. Initially, he was in KAUST, and then later he was in US and somewhere wherever. Okay. So I messaged him that, hey, Dr. Kedar, I am so and so. See, I will just show you this conversation. I hope it is there. Yeah. See, lots of conversations I did with him, and then he helped me. He told me how to write CV. He told me how to be effective. He told me how to be very much engaged. You be very active. So many things. Okay. Now, as I told you, like we saw Dr. Vikram's profile. Similarly, at Dr. Kedar's profile, we are seeing that Sampath Goikar, Mr. Senthil Kumar. See, he is a lead scientist in SABIC. Now, I want to apply to SABIC, but I don't know what to do. What is the procedure? So what I will do, I'll just connect him. When I will send him request, he will look my profile and he will accept. If he wants, he will accept. If he doesn't accept, that time the premium of LinkedIn helps you. LinkedIn gives you premium for 1 month free, where if you want to approach to any lead personality or any HR for showcasing your skill, you can use a premium. Okay, see here, one option is there, retry premium free. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, and many more things are there. Okay. Now, these are, and I think whatever I will say, that is not enough. Again, that's these are so many things are there on LinkedIn that you get to come to know. If you can also track your profile, whoever seen your profile and what who are they. So far, 120 people have seen my profile from last 15 days, last 90 days, and many of from student side or some, if there are some industry side, as soon as you see, and in fact it gives you some interesting view. So see, if interesting view, you can use premium, free premium to find out who is that. If any HR is contacting me for this and I don't know, then okay. See, one person from GVK Bioscience has seen my profile, and then two from National Chemical Laboratory. Okay, so you can track your views from the people, like on WhatsApp you see. But then WhatsApp is what, this is not like, I should say that, not as a professional development. Well, sometimes it helps, but this see, LinkedIn, you have everything showcased, your skill are showcased on this your uh, profile. The people can talk and connect you. Okay, in fact you get to know by the new opportunities, job opportunities, etc., etc. I think I should stop here now. If you have any questions, the session is open for discussion, and then I'm very sure that this LinkedIn will help you. It will take you throughout your life and be followed by some the rules of LinkedIn, like you should be very professional, you should not be adding some non-ethical things, and if you have a profile, you will be talking with people very professional way, writing very nice messages to them so that they will be helping you. So with this, I thank you all, and I also thanks to the SI College management, Principal Raut sir, Vice Principal Sakhe madam, other team members Vikram as well as Thorat madam, for this wonderful opportunity to showcase my whatever I have, because I talk with chemistry to lots of students, but then this is also very important to talk with students to their professional development. Guys, the knowledge is very important, but when it is important, when you can present that in effective way. Otherwise, if you know everything and if you don't know how to present, then it is very difficult for you to survive. This is what I would like to again thank you for Anita madam for highlighting that the students should sharpen their knowledge and update themselves each and every time. I also take opportunity to thank my college management president sir, then our management body principal sir, for giving me opportunity to showcase my or talk with you all. He is the person behind me who gives me lots of freedom to talk with freely with other people and share my knowledge and ideas and learn things from the students as well as faculty from other people, other colleges, institutes. In fact, I thank the chemistry department of my college and all of my students. I do have my PhD students because I think he will be in the meeting, and I also thanks him because he also helps me for uh, my career advancement. So with this, I thank you all for your patience and for your time and for your listening. Any questions will be welcomed.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a wonderful talk. I think all the mics they can
I
unmute and
hope
they
I
can ask.
haven't made you bore. I hope I haven't made you bore, because the session was very nice and it is going to help you all for your life. Guys,
Yeah, yeah,
please
yeah.
go on
It's really
LinkedIn,
nice.
showcase your life, showcase your skills, and get connected with people. Tell them that you are someone who can contribute to their life also by connecting them, or contribute to their industry also by joining their industry, and you can help them also. Tell yourself, tell other by coming on LinkedIn, and because students, all students are very young scientists. I call my all students young scientists. They are very creative. You all are very creative, that you don't know that, but we know that as a teacher, we know that you are very creative. Only the thing is what, you should come to the picture and showcase yourself, showcase your skills. Thank you, Vikram. Thank you, other people also. And if you have any question, please be open. Ask me anything, whichever you want. I can answer your question and make you happy. If you don't ask me, then I will think that, oh, I made you bored. Student, please come ahead.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello. Sir, if I connect a LinkedIn, then how I can find people's from my related field? How I can find the people's?
Yeah. So now let me take you to the LinkedIn again, where if I already told you that the key points you add in your profile. Let's say view a profile, and there is a section in that you add about yourself and some keywords. As soon as you add your update your profile or timeline headline, this side, see this side, you will see the people that works in your area. Now my timeline is what? Assistant professor. Okay, so see assistant professor, assistant kind of things will come to see assistant professor kind of people will come to your this site this site, and then you just click them, connect them. Or for example, since you are from chemistry background, correct? If I'm not wrong, are you from chemistry background?
Yes, sir.
So if you are from chemistry background, you will definitely put there as your education, BSc, or you might be knowing someone who is in chemistry. Like I just told you that I just clicked on Dr. Vikram's profile, and then I found out one of my friend. Vikram. Okay, so another Vikram Gore came. So no problem. So this Vikram Gore, who is R&D chemist in IFI, Dubai. So now his title itself tell me that he's a chemist. So he's going to help me. Or you just simply search here chemist. If you just search chemist, you will get a lots of options there, and then you just step by step get connected. In fact, some people now see this guy, Vikram Kore and me, we have 232 mutual connections. So if I click on there, I'll come to know my connections, and he and I have a connection. So if I message him, or if he don't know me, I can ask my connection, like I and he has some common connection. So I can ask my friends that, hey, I want to talk to this guy. Looks like he's your friend. Can you help me? People will help you. Your friend will help you. That is a good question. Anybody wants to say anything?
Sir, one more question I have.
Yeah, please.
Sir, can we find the projects on the LinkedIn? Like I'm a MSc student, so I want to do a project. So how can I find that?
Okay. See, sometime what happens, like IIT, NIT, or ICER people or ICER, they will post on the LinkedIn. So when you go to the home, when you look on this here, they will keep on posting new things regarding innovative things regarding projects or internship. Okay, so if you are active on LinkedIn, you will immediately find that. And as soon as you see that there is a requirement of interns or project, you can write them. Another thing is what you can get connected to high institute people like ICER or IIT or NIT or university people. As soon as you connect them by LinkedIn, you can write them by LinkedIn message saying that, dear respected sir, I thank you. First of all, remember all students, please remember this thing. Whenever you send your connection to somebody else, if he accepts your connection, write him message. Start talking means in what sense? Dear sir, thank you for accepting my LinkedIn request. I am very grateful for your time. Immediately he will respond to you. Even if you don't respond, then in second email you just write him that I am students from this college, having this background. I'm looking for internship or looking for project assistance or looking for PhD. I'll be very happy if you could let me know or kindly let me know. This language is very important to talk with someone in written form. Okay. So I hope I answered your question that how to search for project or look for internship. Soumyajit Rajak have question.
Yeah, hello, sir. So thank you
Yes.
for your wonderful talk. Sir, I have a
Yes.
question. Sir, if I have not already acquired any skill particularly required for any field I'm interested in, so how do I showcase my interest in that field?
Okay. Can you tell me your background? Are you chemist again?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, to be specific, I'm saying, sir, say I am interested in some specific research topic I want to be pursuing in my PhD career.
Okay.
So, as you understand this, in this pandemic situation, if I am an experimental chemist, so there is a difficulty in acquiring some experimental skills in this scenario. You understand.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
how do I showcase my interest in that kind of
Synthetic
particular thing?
skills. You want to say
Yes.
synthetic skill. Okay. See,
Yes.
so when you will update your profile, like I told you that my profile, I wrote that I have a synthetic skills in polymers, small molecules, organic molecules. Okay. So when you write it in your about yourself or your interest in that, then and if you send this request or LinkedIn request to someone else that you are interested, so he will look to your profile. And another thing is what, as you say that how do I showcase? So in that case, you have to contact people by LinkedIn, asking that I have gone through your profile. You work on synthetic materials. I'm interested in that. I'm chemist, and if there any opportunity or in summer internship, in online also they can give you a project. For example, for designing a scheme, you don't have to go in lab and sit. You can literally do a literature survey and design a molecule. For example, I have a opening of PhD, and you approached me. What I will say you, hey, so this is what my website, go through this, look at my papers, and can you design a molecule on paper? So you will immediately look my paper, and you will read the paper, you will find out the structure, and you will do the substitute of that material. So you will show me on paper, and when this pandemic goes, or if anything, if it stops, then you will have opportunities because you are already started working on that project. So Mijit.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Any other question?
This is a very long talk I gave in my coming presentation because hardly
Actually, there are more than I think 120 participants were there.
Mhm. So if
Students,
there
if
are,
you have a question, then ask. Otherwise, we have to stop over here.
I have a meeting. I
Yeah.
have a meeting at.
Okay. I don't think there are questions. If you have questions, you can ask on the groups which we have made, and then I will pass your question to Swapnil sir. He will answer to that. Okay.
Sure,
So
and,
thank
and
you
and one
very
more
much.
thing, one more thing,
Yeah.
one more thing,
Uh, uh,
Vikram sir, before leaving, all
uh,
students, please create your profile. Try to get
yes.
connected with lots of scientists, professors, young minds, young innovators, industry people, so that it will help you. Yeah, please, Vikram, go ahead.
Yeah. So thank you very much, Swapnil sir, for giving such a wonderful talk. Actually, if you see my profile, just now I changed it, like that profile picture and everything before 20 to 25 minutes ago. I have that profile since like 10 years, but I haven't opened it after my PhD. Okay, so just means this lecture gives me the idea how to at least download that app. Just now I have downloaded it and I have updated it. So it's very wonderful lecture, and I hope all the students, all the participants, they will also do the same. They will open their account and they will contact to many persons so that they will get a good quality of job, or at least they will be in very good connection. So again, I would like to thank our principal, Ganesh Raut sir, vice principal, and Mukund Ambaude sir, D.D. Patil sir, Bokil ma'am, Patwardhan ma'am, Satish sir, Satish Mardikar, then Pallavi Kulkarni ma'am, Kavita ma'am, Kashmira ma'am for joining this particular webinar, and especially all the students, not only from HV Desai College, but from all over the Maharashtra and outside the Maharashtra, they have joined for this webinar. So thank you very much. Vaishnavi ma'am, are you there? So Swapnil sir, should I
Yes,
stop?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, all of you. Uh,
Now you can leave the meeting.
Yeah. Tomorrow we have a lecture on how to face interviews from I think a assistant director from Sudarshan Chemicals. Okay, so please, I will share that link. If possible, please join the same. Thank you.